This video focuses on open-plan office reverberation design, aiming to optimize workplace comfort and speech intelligibility. The learning objectives are to estimate reverberation time, evaluate acoustic coefficients, protect speech privacy and comfort, and recommend practical treatments for modern workspaces. Our design scenario involves an architectural firm creating a workspace for 40 employees. The office dimensions are 15 meters long, 10 meters wide, and 3 meters high. Our target reverberation time is 0.6 seconds. Office noise has a significant impact, causing speech distraction, reduced concentration, and lack of speech privacy. Controlling this noise can increase overall productivity by 5 to 15%, and acoustic comfort is vital for employee satisfaction. Step 1 is to determine the room volume. Using the dimensions, the volume is calculated as 15 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 3, which equals 450 cubic meters. Volume is a primary factor in Sabine's equation. Step 2 is to find the required absorption using Sabine's equation to meet the 0.6 second RT60 target. Rearranging the equation shows that 120.8 Sabines of total absorption are required. Step 3 involves evaluating the proposed finishes: acoustic tile for the ceiling, carpet flooring, and painted masonry walls. Multiplying the area by the absorption coefficient yields a total absorption of 157.5 Sabines. Comparing the predicted RT60 of 0.46 seconds with the target of 0.60 seconds, the status is excellent. The proposed finishes significantly outperform the minimum acoustic requirements. The acoustic assessment benefits include improved intelligibility for clear communication, reduced distraction, better concentration, enhanced comfort by reducing noise buildup, and better well-being by lowering acoustic fatigue. Additional measures for speech privacy include acoustic screens to block direct sound, sound masking systems to raise the noise floor, and strategic use of upholstered furniture for absorption. A professional practice note is that controlling reverberation alone does not guarantee acoustic comfort. Modern offices need a balance of RT60 control, speech privacy, background noise management, and layout strategy. Complaints can occur even when RT60 targets are met. The design checklist includes an established target RT60, inclusion of flooring and ceiling absorption, consideration of speech privacy screens, and documentation of strategic space planning. Avoid common mistakes like hard flooring, open collaboration zones near focus areas, and large untreated glass partitions.